Cold and damp in Kentville today. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. This is Canaan Avenue, Kentville, Nova Scotia, Canada. All's quiet on the Western Front. Supposed to rain today, later this morning. How much rain, I don't know. But it is cold and damp, that's for sure. Come by the Dennis Ramsay paintings when in Kentville. I live at 27 Canaan Avenue, Kentville, Apartment B, Nova Scotia, Canada, yellow house, white trim. Apartment B upstairs. Knock on the door, and I'll sell you some folk art, fine art, abstract art paintings. I sell them at $30 each upwards. Where the cars are going by is Main Street, Kentville, right off of Canaan Avenue. Please subscribe and share and take care. Bye for now and have a nice day.